Hello, all. Let's continue the topic states of matter. Children, different scientists propose different theories about the atoms and molecule. In 400 BCE, Democritus said that all matter is made up of minute indivisible particles. As the time passed, again in 1803, John Dalton proposed that elements contain atoms. In 1897, J. Thomson discovered electrons, which are the particles found inside an atom. In 1911, Ernest Rutherford said that atoms contain both positive and negative particles. We have learnt that matter is different because different objects are made up of different atoms. For example, silver is made up of silver atoms while salt is made up of two different types of atoms like sodium and chlorine. What are the properties of matter? Volume, size, shape, mass, color and density. These are the properties of matter. Matter exists in three states: solid, liquid, and gas. All the three states have a different arrangement of particles, and matter can change its form from one state to another. We can take the example of water. Water is the example of liquid form, ice is example of solid form, and water vapor or steam is an example of gaseous form. When we heat ice cubes, it melts into water, and again, if we continue the heating, that liquid water it will change to water vapor. Means we can change the solid into liquid and liquid into gaseous form. What are solids? Molecules in solids, they are tightly packed and held together by the strong forces of attraction, and they have no space between them to move around. And this is the reason why solids have a definite shape and volume. We can change the shape and size of solids through physical processes, as we can break a chalk into two parts. Then we can stretch a rubber band by applying some force. We can change the shape of a sponge by pressing some force over it. Liquids. Molecules in a liquid, they are less tightly packed as compared to the solids, and they have space between them, and also the force of attraction between the molecules, they are not enough strong, and therefore it is possible for molecules in a liquid to move around in different direction. As the force of attraction between the molecules is less, the liquids can flow and change their shape. They have fixed volume but do not have fixed shape. If you accidentally spill milk on the table, it flows in different directions and change its shape. If accidentally a pencil fall on the floor, does it change its shape? No, it doesn't change its shape. Gases. Molecules in gases are loosely packed with lots of empty space between them, and the force of attraction between molecules are very weak as compared to the force of attraction between the solid and liquids. And as the force of attraction is very less, they can move away from each other very easily, and therefore gases neither have a fixed shape nor a fixed volume. Most gases are colorless and we cannot see them. The example of gases are hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide. If we study comparatively between the solid, liquids and gases, then the molecules in solids are very tightly packed, the molecules in liquids are less tightly packed, and in gases the molecules are very loosely packed. Solids have fixed shape and volume. Liquids do not have fixed shape but have a fixed volume. And gases neither have fixed shape nor definite volume. Solids cannot flow like liquids and gas. Liquids can flow easily. Gases can flow more easily than liquids. Children, do you know human beings are made up of all three states of matter? Muscles, bones, and organs are solid. Blood, plasma, lymph are liquid, and the organs, such as the lungs, are filled with the gas. We have learned to differentiate between solids, liquids, and gases. Thank you. Have a great time ahead.